Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Magar. Today I am going to speak about on the occasion of Guru Purnima. First of all, happy Guru Purnima to all. In our life, our first guru is our mother and father because they taught us how to survive in life, what to eat, how to eat, how to walk, how to deal with people, how to speak with people. And another thing is, it is an opportunity to thank our teachers for sharing their knowledge and skills with us. And life is without teachers and gurus, it is like a bumpy road. And teachers and gurus are sharing their knowledge, valuable knowledge with us, and they taught us how to face the difficulties. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Evening, everybody. I am Aswit Patne. Happy Guru Purnima to all. Guru Purnima is festival which is dedicated to our Guru. According to Hindu calendar, Guru Purnima is celebrated in the month of the Ashad. A gurus not only teaches but also shows the right path of success. Our parents are the first gurus in our life, and their place is considered above them God. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. It's my pleasure to introduce for Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an occasion celebrated at the Ashad month on the full moon day Purnima as per the Hindu calendar. The term Guru derives its meaning from the combination of two Sanskrit words, Jiyu meaning darkness and Aryu meaning a person who eliminates darkness. This year Guru Purnima comes on the full moon day of July 21. Those Hindu who have gurus from their birth and have received Diksha pay respect of their teachers. A guru has a very important place in our life. Our parents are first guru in our life. That's all. Thank you.